Hi, my name is Kerry Badham and I'm delighted to show you today the brand new fondant drip cutter developed by FMM Sugarcraft. The paste we recommend you use is modelling paste, so you can buy modelling paste or you can make your own. So just a simple fondant. Place a little bit of Tylo on your mat and you just knead it in all the way through the paste. Once you've kneaded it in, you will start to feel it firm up as you're doing it. But once you've kneaded it all in, just roll it up into a ball, put it in some cling film, airtight container, leave it for at least 30 minutes. It's really good if you can leave it overnight and it will be ready to use. So I've rolled out my modelling paste and I've allowed it just to dry off a little, so not too thick, nice and thin. Place the cutter on top and apply pressure all the way round. Slide it around your mat, and you want to be able to feel your mat beneath, so you know that you've got a nice clean cut. Got lovely sharp edges on these cutters. You don't get a frayed edge, and they don't go blunt, and they don't scratch your mat either because they are plastic. And we just pop it through. Nice and simple. Lovely edge. So I'm going to cut out two because, as you can see, we've got these ends here. So I'm going to cut out a second one. So again, place it on top, apply pressure all the way round. Feel the mat beneath, remove the excess. And just pop it through. Now you'll see the reason why you have this here is so you can place it together and have a nice seamless join to your drip design. If you want to use just one, or you want to end it here and not go all the way around, you can just take the end off and that gives you a nice edge as well. If I just talk you through the cake that we've made to demonstrate the drip. So here we've got a standalone drip on its own, so just the one, and you can see that I've trimmed the edges here to give it a nice neat edge. I've also decorated it with an edible gold colour, so I think that gives a lovely effect on the cake that we've made. So we'll go further down the cake. You can of course go all the way round, but if you go further down the cake, here we've joined two pieces together, so you can see you've got this continuation of the drip because of the design that we've done to give you a nice seamless join. To attach your drip, you just apply some water on the back, or you can pop it on the part of the cake you want it on. You can use edible glue, but there's no need to because the water activates the Tylo in your modelling paste, and then you just attach it to your cake. There's also a lot of people that are experimenting with the upside down drip, and this would be perfect for that because you can attach it onto your cake and you won't be getting yourself in a mess or a pickle when you do so, because you're making it out of fondant and attaching it with water. We've complemented the drip cutter on the cake with the English rose cutter inspired by David Austin. Please look out for the video to make these roses on our YouTube channel.